Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm actually going to be doing another influencer unboxing. Now this box, I got an email that I was getting it when I was away, and when I got back home it was here. So this box is actually a hair related box. Now while I am happy about it, I'm also happy I checked the app and thankfully they said it's 2 months. Hopefully they don't change their minds, because I want to keep in these crochet twists for a little longer, just because the time that it took for me to stay and get it done, I don't want to take them away right out just to get these reviews for these products. So without further ado, let's get into these products. So this time around, as always, it comes in a box that says influencer. Sometimes it's catered to the brand, but this time around it just says influencer on the box. Now I was excited about this because I always wanted to try this brand's like hair care products. I haven't actually tried ever any of their hair products. What I do like from their line is their skincare, specifically their cocoa butter. That's all I like out of this. Probably the best moisturizer I think I've ever had and tried. But anyway, so when you open it up, here is the box of products that I was given to review. This time around, it's pretty simple in terms of, it just depends on your Voxbox as always, but this time when I checked the app, all I have to do is review an influencer, and the required ones also have to follow them on all their socials. I think I was following them on like 2 already, and then the last thing was to do a photo for Instagram, which I haven't done yet, but I'm probably going to do today. And then a bonus is doing a TikTok, and I don't mind because I like doing TikTok, so I'll probably do a TikTok as well. But when you open it, as always, you get the pamphlet. So it says Palmers. This is from the Palmers cocoa butter formula line, which is what these cocoa butter formula is what I use actually for skincare. That's what I use. But this is just the hair care line with vitamin E. It's the length retention but plus biotin, and it says new, so I'm assuming this is one of their newer lines. I'm not too sure, again, because I haven't tried any of the biotin hair products. And it says beautiful healthy hair is our promise, always trusted to strengthen and protect your hair. Love the model on this picture. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I actually received 4 different products, so I'll go ahead and tell you guys what products that I received. And as always, in the back, just FYI, they always give you the cards to tell you what to do. To be honest, I never read it because in the app they tell you the same thing. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you're new, they always have this here so you know what to do for each campaign. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead with is this length retention biotin pack. It's created for all curl patterns and textures, plus biotin strengthening system of fortifying protectants for optimal length. Intense strengthening treatment nourishes brittleness, breakage, and splints. So and it's silicone free. Definitely going to be using this. Oh, let me show you guys a close-up. So I'm definitely going to be using this when I take my hair down, simply because, so when I did my last length check and I was all hype about the fact that my hair grew, I later found out the owner told me like that's breakage, so I had to cut my hair. So I actually cut my hair prior to installing this, so my hair is a little shorter than it was prior. So I'm a whole different new journey now because I cut off a good chunk of length off my hair, which I've done this before just because if I notice dead ends, but for whatever reason I got breakage, so I just trimmed my hair all around and just chopped off some hair. So this definitely will come in handy when I take these out. But I will say with these crochet twists this time around, in the past I've done it where I do the braids, like the braids are actually just my hair and then just put the twist in. This time around my mom actually used extension hair first to braid my hair, so my hair is pretty well protected in that regard. So it's not really how do I say it? It's not really pulling on my actual hair strands, so that's really a plus about crochet with this time around. But anyway, I digress. I'm definitely going to be using this, so stay tuned for the review but that's going to be in another month since they give me 2 months. So and more about this, the cocoa butter, it contains nourishing properties that shield the hair strand from the harmful effects of styling damage, combined with vitamin E Hair is less prone to dullness and fading, leaving hair shiny and healthier. It also helps to optimize the natural hair growth cycle. Biotin also strengthens the hair strands, preventing hair from becoming brittle and fragile, reducing breakage. And then they said you should use this right after you shampoo. So I feel like this is kind of like one of those protein treatment types of things to get your hair going after your shampoo before you get into the deep conditioning process or conditioning process, whatever you do. So definitely gonna be using this for sure once I take these out. And so yeah, so that's that. And this it says leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. So that's that. Oh, can I also say shout out to them for sending a good size pack than normal, because you know when I get these packages they don't work, but this definitely will be good for my hair. It's a good amount in here. Me trying to avoid oils and then I get another oil, but it's all good. I actually got this. Now I may try this sometime, or I might just wait till I take out my hair. I'm not too sure, because I kind of don't want to really clog my hair with oil these days. In terms of my scalp, I'm trying to minimize the oil. But anyway, this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, Length Retention Hair plus Scalp Oil. And again, it's from the same line, so it's created for all curl types, patterns, and textures. I actually want to open it to smell it, because I've actually never, like I said, I've never tried any of it. But I would just assume that it smells pretty similar to the other product that I use. So just go ahead. And yes, high five to Influencer and Palmers for making sure that products come in a sealed package, so there's no spillage or anything of that sort. That is very important. So this is what it comes like in the bottle. Nice full size. And just in case you are new to what Influencer is, I have a whole video, so I don't want to make this spiel, but all these products I am getting for free in exchange for my honest review. So I try them and give my honest review, but I just wanted to put that out there, that I did get these for free to give my review on these products. Now, as for the smell of this, let's smell it. I can't smell anything. Okay, I'm about to just spray it on my hands. Still nothing. Alright, so this is one of those spray bottles that's about to be those spray bottles that doesn't get any product out, because that's not great. Oh, I think it's coming out. Maybe not, maybe. You know what? It's still not coming out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this and smell it like that. Yes, it smells just like, literally, it smells just like the cocoa butter that I use on my skin. That's what it smells like, pure like cocoa butter. So yes, so that is the oil. Hold on, make sure I seal it properly. And did I show you guys a close up? I don't remember, so I'm gonna show you guys again just in case I did not. Okay, next product I have is the Length Retention Deep Conditioner. See, natural hair, type 4 specifically, we need that deep conditioner. So this is something I'm telling you, I'm gonna use the whole line. The only thing I don't have is the shampoo, I think, which is all fine. Shampoo and a styling product, but we'll make it work. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with the Vitamin E Length Retention Deep Conditioner. Same thing, created for all curl patterns and textures, plus biotin. And it says it fully strengthens hair with powerhouse natural protectants that help block brittleness, breakage, and split ends to help achieve its optimal length. And this one is supposed to deeply penetrate to nourish each hair fiber, moisture detangles and softens, improve shine and elasticity, strength to help prevent future damage. And then this says use after shampooing, of course, and then apply the deep conditioner. And it says allow for 5 minutes. But personally, I got type 4 hair. I don't know about 5 minutes. It'll probably be a good 20-30 minutes, but this is what it looks like. And another good size jar. So with Influencer, for the most part, you always get, sometimes you'll get packets like in that case, but you also, there's high chance of you getting full size jars, which I like. This is a good size jar, and this is a 12-ounce jar. So And the reason why I'm saying I like that, because it gives me more time to really give a honest opinion. Because when you get a packet, you only use it one time. I can't really say much about it. But at least if something I can use a couple of times, I can give a lot of things. I can say a lot about it. Okay, so it has a seal on it. I'm going to be the clumsy one, and I feel like I'll drop it. So I don't know if I want to open this or not. I'm scared to open it. You know what? This is probably a sign for me not to try to open this. But like I said, you guys will get a review, so I'm just doing the unboxing. So when I get to the review, I'll definitely show you guys in terms of consistency and smell of that. But in my guess, it's probably the same smell, because that's what the oil smells like. And lastly, I got the leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the wrap, and you see it's nicely wrapped once again. So they really took it into account. That's very important. I feel like when you're setting products that has liquid in it, to make sure it's wrapped up, because 9 times out of 10, in my experience, when it wasn't wrapped up, or wasn't wrapped up properly in the right type of containers, leakage happens. But not least is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner. And it says, new, of course, cocoa butter brand, created for all curl patterns and textures, plus Biotin, strengthening system of fortifying protectants for optimal length. Instantly detangles and minimizes frizz. Why can't I'm so tongue-tied? Minimizes frizz, reinforces strands. Silicone free, committed to responsible sourcing. So another good sized product. This is an 8.5 ounce, so this is gonna last me a good time. I do need some leave-in conditioners. I think about it. I think I only have 1 or 2 left. It's funny. I have majority of my stash, I feel like, is shampoo conditioners, which is crazy. And then stylers, I have a few. So this leave-in conditioner will definitely come in handy when I'm back to my natural hair state. But as of right now, you will see me in a lot of videos with my crochet, because I'm not trying to take them out for right now. But that concludes the Influencer unboxing. Just to give you guys a recap of everything I got the Length Retention Biotin pack. I also got the hair plus scalp oil. I got the deep conditioner from the line, and I also got the leave-in conditioner from the line. So stay tuned for the review. Most likely it's not going to be this month, which today, when this uploads, it will be the 31st. So it probably won't be till July. I'm going to inch to July, late June. But anyway, oh, and also before I end this video, happy Memorial Day to you guys, because it will be the 31st when this drops. And hopefully you guys enjoy your extra day off, for those of you guys who have the day off. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe down below, and let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.